Hey guys, Grant with Nick's Handmade Boots. Today we're going to be talking about tips for snugging up and loosening your new and old pair of Nicks. Tip number 1, try pulling on the laces a little bit harder. Tip number 2, if you feel like your boot is a little bit loose and you're not using a kiltie, we recommend putting one in. Also, if you do use kilties but your kiltie is wore out, consider replacing it. Not only does the kiltie add protection to the tongue of the boot, but it also allows more surface area for the laces to grab. If your laces are a little bit close together down over the instep, putting a kiltie in or getting a new kiltie can widen that spacing a little bit and allow you to get a little bit more leverage as you lace the boot. Tip number 3, get some good quality socks. This is the most simple solution to getting looser fitting boots snugged up again. You should be constantly looking at the condition of your socks. If your padding is worn out or the sock is coming apart, get a new pair of socks. A pair of socks, a good pair of socks, can actually add about one width to the fit of your boots. Tip number 4, purchase an inexpensive but good quality insole. At Nick's we sell Spenco comfort insoles. These are very thin, but they're very high quality. They cost you under 20 bucks. If you don't mind a little extra cushion and you're looking to fill some of that loose feeling, put some of these insoles in and that should take care of it. If you're not a fan of synthetic materials, get a hold of some scrap leather. Put it on the ground, trace your foot, and drop it in the boot. That will take a loose fitting boot and snug it up a little bit. The good thing about leather is you can decide the thickness. If you still need a little bit more volume to be taken up, you can get a thicker piece, trace and cut, and drop it in. The good thing about insoles, whether they're synthetic or leather, is that it actually will protect the natural leather insole of the boot. It'll protect it from sweat and moisture and grime, ultimately preserving the insole of the boot and extending the life of the boot overall. Now on to tips for loosening your boot. Tip number 1, don't lace them so tightly. A lot of customers are excited to get their new pair of boots and they're excited to reef on the laces and pull as tight as possible. You don't need to do that. Pulling the laces super tight is going to cause instep pain and cause the ball of the foot to feel too tight. Just lace the boots normally. You want tension on the laces, not so loose that they're falling off the hooks, but not so tight that you're causing pain to your foot. Tip number 2, grease and oil. Leather loves grease and oil. Grease and oil are preservatives and they also soften the leather. If you've got an old boot that you've never put grease or oil on and it's feeling stiff as a brick, you need to get the boot loosened up with a good conditioner. Similarly, if your new boots are feeling a bit too snug, you're getting through the break-in process, but you still feel like you've got some hot spots, give them some conditioning. The conditioner should loosen those areas, it should expedite the natural break-in process and allow the boot to mold to your foot. Tip number 3 is actually stretching the boot. Most cities across the United States still have a local shoe repair shop. Most local shoe repair shops will actually have stretching equipment. That usually requires getting the boot a little bit wet, putting a stretching device in there, and opening the boot up a little bit. If you're battling the break-in of a new pair of boots, everything's feeling pretty good, but you've got some isolated hot spots, take it to a local cobbler and let them ease that area for you. Similarly, if you're taking an old pair of boots off the shelf out of your closet, get some grease on them. If that doesn't work, take them to a local cobbler to see if they can ease some of that for you. These are some very easy, inexpensive tips to get the boots fitting the way you want them to fit. Thanks for watching.